Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going out on a motorcycle ride around the Seattle area, and I'm really excited because I did some motorcycle vlogs from Colombia a couple months ago, and I really wanted to get out back to the States and back to my hometown here in Seattle and get out and about on a motorcycle and really just show you all a perspective of life on two wheels here in Seattle. So, what's up, boys? So these kids want a little bit of a show, so I'm gonna give them a little show. Damn, there we go. All right, boys, be well.
Thank you.
Yep, be good. There we go. Always gotta do for the kids. Have a good one, guys. Be safe. Just want to show you all life on two wheels here in the Seattle area. So without further ado, let's just get on the bike and get going. I got a lot of really cool spots that I want to go and show you guys and hopefully get inspired if you're ever here in the Seattle area or in your local area to get out and get on two wheels. All right, so here we go. Just leaving Mercer Island right now. Gonna head out northward towards Seattle proper. Gonna get out and just go do a nice little ride. I'm a little bummed. The sun was out earlier today and it was really nice, but it's still okay. It's nice and cool as long as it's not as long as it doesn't rain, which is really nice. But yeah, so it's a really nice ride around here on Mercer Island. And you can go a couple different ways. You can go, we're gonna go up Island Crest, which is the most direct way out to the city. But you can also go around the west side of the island or the east side. So you can go 3 different ways to get out of here, all of which are very beautiful. Mercer Island has a lot of trees and really nice roads. If you're really into like twisty, windy roads for riding, it's really nice to go on either West Mercer or East Mercer. East Mercer's down that way. West Mercer is behind me. So let's get after it. And we're just gonna go down to the south. We're gonna go down to the north end of Mercer Island, and I'm gonna top up on my fuel. All right, please don't go. One thing about driving around in the States is that people are not that aware of bikers. They're a lot less aware, especially in the cities, so you just gotta be really constantly aware. My fuel gauge here says 63 miles, so it should say anywhere from 150 to 200 miles, so 180 usually is what I can get on a tank, so that's pretty cool. It only holds about 3 gallons, so paying anywhere from $10 to $15 of gas depending on where I am. I bought this bike in Montana actually, so gas prices are a lot cheaper out there compared to Washington and Seattle area specifically, but you know, it is what it is. But you gotta put that premium fuel in there as well, and it adds up. But I mean, it's definitely a lot more economical than a car. Solid. Oh, you gonna let me go? Hell yeah. Oh boy. Let's get some fuel. Maybe one of them safety ones, I hope not. Oh, bullocks. Yep, it is. Ah, you gotta hold it. Filling up gas. Filling up gas. I always like to put it right at the tippy top. Not too far, not overflowing, obviously, but, you know, do what you gotta do. Oh, 2 gallons? Sweet. Alright. Yeah, okay, I'm cool with that. 2.2 gallons. I am alright with that. Cool. Alright, everybody. So that one chore is done. Let's get out. So, we are going to be heading out to West Seattle. One of my favorite spots to go ride. It's very beautiful. You get a great view of the city. also just it's a fun ride out there. Because the whole point of all of this, right, is to ride. So let's check it out. There's a 5-0 over there. Hello, officer. Go nice and slow for the boy. What are you doing, my guy? Alright, here we go. Left. Oof. I should have gone. First mistake. This is Seattle traffic, everybody. Screw it. I will say this exhaust, coupled with the engine noise, sounds really nice in those tunnels. Ooh, sounds real nice. All right, here we go. Let's open it up a little bit. Hear the sound. Oh, that sounds so nice. Oh, in the tunnels. Let's go. All right, let's get out of here. Is it raining? Do I just see some raindrops? I think I did. Oh my god, I did. Dude, this, I'm not surprised because it's Seattle, but dang. Those of you that know, rain and motorcycles do not mix. Ah! Really, bro? Really, bro? We're gonna send it. All the way down First Avenue. Seattle. Woo! Can't really see the viaducts, but yeah, there's she right over there. And beautiful as ever. Wonderful stadiums. T-Mobile Park, Lumen Field, home of the Seattle Mariners and Seattle Seahawks, and Seattle Sounders. Seattle Sounders. Seattle Sounders. Also, fun little fact, I am very excited within the next couple years because Seattle will be one of the many host cities for the 2026 World Cup. And for those of you that are into soccer or football known as around the world, that is a pretty big deal. And at least in my lifetime, this is the first time that at least in my memory, that the US has hosted the World Cup. So this is going to be pretty wild. Seattle and a bunch of other cities in the U.S. plus Canada and Mexico are going to be hosting the World Cup here. Oh, thank you, officer. I really do like this area. So this is Soto. This is the area that is all over the considered the industrial area of Seattle. Really cool. There's a lot of really good music venues like Showbox Soto over there. Really awesome. Obviously, you got the stadiums that we just came back behind me. A lot of really good restaurants around here, and Starbucks headquarters actually is over there as well. Monkey Loft, we'll pass that. One of my favorite music venues. A lot of good restaurants. This is a really awesome place. It didn't used to be, but it's kind of like the whole city. It's been growing out a lot. Yep, here we are. So we just got to keep going down this way, cut up the bridge, get over West Seattle. And and we'll enjoy. It's gonna be awesome. I'm really excited. It's gonna be awesome. I love riding around in the city. It's just, especially when you got nothing else. When you just go on a ride for fun, nothing else matters. It's nice and therapeutic. You can forget all the worries of the world. Just you and the bike, and just ride. It's really like a meditation almost. Just get in the zone and feel the bike and the road, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a nice way to just unwind after kind of a long day. What are you doing, my guy? Just in the middle of the road. That's cool. First gear too, but you just get it up to like anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 RPM. Second gear, oh my jeez, okay. Get that. Once you get up to 3,000, 3,000 to 6,000 RPM. It just goes, man. It's awesome. There's the Seattle Port, Port of Seattle. But now we're here, and it is, I don't know, I really like this area. It's, you know, a little farther out of the way. I would live here. I mean, obviously, if it weren't so expensive. Seattle itself is just abnormally expensive all over the place. But it's a really nice area, especially down by the water. You get the whole view of Seattle. You'll see it. We'll see it in just a sec here. Another homie on a bike, let's go. There she is. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Yes, sir. Alright, so last time I was here, we found a nice little spot on the sand. It's just right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Not on the sand, sorry, on the sidewalk, but just get up here and just park for. Oh, there it was. But we're gonna go right here. It's gonna be good. We'll go right here. Skirt. Yup. Oh yeah, bud. Look at that. Let's go. Photos and all that fun stuff. Okay. All right, so that's it. Had a little time here to hang out, enjoy the view, but it's time to keep going and explore some more of this beautiful city. So let's get after it. All right, so here we go. Get back on it. Let's keep going. I'm gonna try and get it before this truck comes. Ah! Go, let's go. Here we go. So yeah, Alpine Beach is one of my favorite spots here in Seattle. It's pretty close. See all the boats, which I always love watching the boats. It's fun. Ferry boats just go all throughout here. Go to the different islands and different parts of the Puget Sound. Very, very, very awesome spot. And some of these houses too are really nice. There's all apartments, houses, and whatever. Very expensive. tired. Brother. Oh, something smells good. Someone's barbecuing. Something. Woo! Yeah, people playing volleyball. All the fun stuff. Ooh, okay. I see you, bruh. I see you. All right, well. Ooh, nice, good hit. Good hit. Oof. Sheesh. People just love to brake check, huh? Crazy, bro. I'm gonna pull over, speed bump. Pull over right here, and then figure out the next steps here. All right, we are back on the other side of the bridge, and we're gonna actually go by and stop by my boy Reed's place, or I guess his studio. We go check it out, and I've been there many times before, but it's always nice. Go out there, watch him blow some glass, and yeah, we'll just go pay the boy a visit. Well, my camera died right as I was getting to the spot, but it's all good. The door's already open. Look at that. So we're gonna go pay the boy Reed a little visit. Here we go. Reedus, my guy. What's up, dude? What's up, brother?
You vlogging, dude?
Yeah, dude. How you doing?
What's up, player?
How you doing?
How's your bike ride?
Good. Oh, look at that. So I want to link I'm gonna link all of his socials down for y'all, because if you guys need any good glass, my boy Reed will provide. Look at that. Yes, my guy. All right, well, that was a nice little visit to the boy Reed over at the shop. Checked out some of his work. He always crushes it. Again, I'll make sure to link some socials for him. If you guys are ever into glass art or anything like that, again, he crushes it. He has really progressed in the time that I've known him for doing glass. I've known him a very long time too, so it's really awesome to see. Shout out to the big boy Reedus. So yeah, I'm gonna head back. It's starting to get a little bit dark, so if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I really love being able to share my adventures with all of y'all and people that are new and come to discover the channel. So thank you very much for watching. And if you liked these adventures and want to see more, make sure to click on the video just up here, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.